everyone, welcome to my channel once again. It's Cherry Mark shooting the video right from Egypt in Hurgada. For those who know about Hurgada is around 3 or 4 hours drive. Okay, not drive, like 3 hours flight from Cairo. And yes, Hurgada is one beautiful place, one holiday destination for people who are looking to go outside, enjoy some fun, holidays, sunny beaches and all that. Well, I'm going to just do another quick episode review about the destination Egypt slash Hurgada. Well, this is based on my own experience, mind you, so be warned. Okay, I spoke about 2 or 3 things in the previous video, so I'm just not going to go back to that. So what I'm going to do now, I will speak about, okay, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to speak about yeah. Okay, what I didn't like about Hurgada or Egypt. Well, I don't know what to say. Maybe you are lucky to be in a good place, hotel or stuff, but I don't know. The food is a big down. The food is a big disappointment. Well, not that much, but if you are looking for quality food, quality natural organic food, then I would not recommend you to be in a place like this or in this ambience. Most probably not. Well, the thing is, I think they are looking for the most cheapest way to serve people. Yeah, and this is what they do, and they do it really good. So yeah, if you're looking for really good food, really quality food, organic food, then I would not recommend you to come here. Maybe there are places where they do it or they offer that, but not in this place. Yes, one thing I noticed, like what I didn't like is this, they will give you some juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, okay, whatever kind of juice. Apparently, I don't know what to say, but the juice that they offer is most probably sweetened again using some sweetening sugar, or I don't know what they use. Apparently not good for your health, and then still diluted with some water, and this is the juice that you're supposed to hydrate yourself with the whole of your holiday right here. So no, it's not worth it. Yes, it's apparently not worth it. Well, yes, the other thing I would just say, the hygiene standards in this place apparently also no. Well, I bet most people look for high standard cleanliness and hygiene standard and serving, you know, all that kind of cleanliness that you might be expecting, tidiness and all that. Apparently this is not the place to look for that. Apparently not, because well, considering this is something highly rated, with that I mean the stars then it's a fail. It's a disappointment. It's a fail for the hygiene standards in this place. The restaurant we are to dine in, the restaurant we go to dine in is apparently also a big fail. They will clean the table, yes, they will wipe the table, yes, but you will come back there, eat your lunch, eat your breakfast, eat your dinner right in the same place, and apparently not cleaned as it is supposed to be. The tables will just be wiped. The glasses, okay, the glasses are quite clean, but the floor and all that, just a big. What I would just tell my friends out there, there are people who, I don't know why people will always really speak so bad about the hotels, maybe concerning their own experience. But yes, for example, I came to this place and what people wrote on their reviews, excuse me, that was not really fair, because yes, the place is not that bad, not that good. It's not, maybe it's right at the middle, but yes, I know some people would wrote very poor reviews, very negative reviews about this hotel, and that was not the case. I came here just being really skeptic about the whole thing, but I was kind of surprised. The thing is, the room boys, the service in the room is offered, and the guys or the people who come to clean the room are really nice, extra nice, and they will do it to a perfection. Of course, it's not really clean, the beddings and the pillows and all that, not the hygienic standard that you would expect. So I think people should be careful what they read on the reviews. Not everything is written there is 100% what you experience right here. So yes, I just would still continue recommending this place. Besides that, if you're looking to experience a wild safari at the desert, at the Red Sea, mountain and all that, this is the place to be. This is right where you should be. That is the highlight of this holiday from my own experience, and I will highly recommend that right here. Maybe I might drop the contacts of the safari that I had, because I think it was really done to a perfection, and yes, maybe I will drop it at the description box down there. Well, what else? Yes, I think Hurgada. Okay, the other thing. The other thing. Well, if you are looking forward to come to this place, apparently you might experience some problems, because the people here, most of them use Arabic and German to speak or to communicate with you. So if you are an English speaker, you might probably experience some difficulties or problems when you are visiting this place. Yes, the thing is, there's so many Germans in this place. So many of them, like really many of them, like 99% are all Germans. So that's why maybe the residents here also speak um, Arabic and German as well. Yes, and think that's it for now. I think that's it for now. I don't think there's anything left. This is my last day to be here. I don't think it's worth a comeback. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, with that, what I've experienced, I think I'm good. I'm good to go. So thank you so much for joining me once again. Thank you a lot for subscribing to my channel, and greetings back to you wherever you are watching from all over the world. Thank you so much. Keep liking this channel, keep subscribing, sharing this, and we see us next time. Goodbye.